Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a Shopify page from Google using a Noindex tag. This is useful if you have pages like thank you pages, internal landing pages, temporary promotions, or other content that you don't want appearing in search results. Keep in mind that using a Noindex tag prevents search engines from indexing the page, but it doesn't stop people from accessing it if they have the direct link. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. On your current theme, click the three-dot menu and select Edit Code. Next, locate the template or section that controls the type of page you want to hide. For example, if you want to hide a regular page, open the Page template. If you're hiding a product, collection, or blog article, open the corresponding template file. Now, add the Noindex meta tag inside the page's head section or use a conditional statement if you only want to hide specific pages. Be careful not to add the tag to your entire website unless that is your intention. After saving your changes, open the page in your browser and view the page source. Search for Noindex to confirm that the meta tag is present. This is a quick way to verify that your code was added correctly. Next, go to Google Search Console and use the URL inspection tool. Enter the page URL and request indexing after adding the Noindex tag. Google will recrawl the page, recognize the new instruction, and eventually remove it from its search results. Keep in mind that this process isn't instant. Depending on how often Google crawls your site, it may take several days or even a few weeks before the page disappears from search results. If the page is already receiving organic traffic, think carefully before adding a Noindex tag. Once Google removes the page from its index, it will no longer appear in search results, which may reduce traffic to that page. It's also important to avoid blocking the page in your robots.txt file while using a Noindex tag. If Google can't crawl the page because it's blocked by robots.txt, it may not be able to see the Noindex instruction, delaying its removal from search results. Another good practice is to review your internal links. If other pages on your website continue linking heavily to the page you've marked as Noindex, visitors can still reach it easily. Consider updating or removing unnecessary internal links if the page is no longer meant for public search visibility. You should also periodically check Google Search Console to confirm the page remains excluded from Google's index. If you later decide that the page should appear in search results again, simply remove the Noindex tag and request indexing through the URL inspection tool. Finally, only use Noindex on pages that truly don't belong in search results. Important pages such as product pages, collections, blogs, and your homepage should generally remain indexable so customers can find them through search engines. Using Noindex selectively helps you maintain a clean, focused index while preserving the visibility of your most valuable content. And that's it. That's how to hide a Shopify page from Google using a Noindex tag. By adding the Noindex meta tag correctly, verifying it on your page, reviewing your internal links, and monitoring the results in Google Search Console, you can control which pages appear in Google Search while maintaining a healthy SEO strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.